Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. In this video, we're taking you with us during our stay at Serene Beach Hotel in Danang, Vietnam. It's ideally located just across from My Khe Beach and walking distance to many restaurants, coffee shops, spas, and a variety of stores. The beautiful spacious lobby with plenty of seating was a welcome sight as we made our way to the check-in desk. Let's take a look at our premium ocean view room 1611 here at the Serene Hotel in Danang. So as soon as you walk in, there's a closet on the right side. It's an okay sized closet. We have all our luggage in here, and there is a safe and a couple bathrobes. And on the left side is this very nice bathroom. So there's the toilet. There's a big rainfall shower and a single sink. See, this is a very nice sink. And they provide a bunch of amenity kits here. So some toothbrushes, toothpaste, combs, and Q-tips. And there's also a hairdryer. As you can see, it's a see-through bathroom, so you can see the bedroom. And here's a quick look at the room. So there's this thing right here where you can put your luggage, and there's a couple slippers they provided. I'm already wearing one of them. There's a small TV. There's some snacks here for purchase. They do give you 2 complimentary bottles of water. So there's the coffee and tea, the water kettle, and there's a fridge here with more drinks for purchase. And here's an office desk with a mirror. Let's see what's in this drawer. Just a little storage drawer. Now let's take a look at the bed. It's a very large king-size bed. And there's a couple chairs here with a table. Now let's take a look at our view. We're on the 16th floor. It's the highest floor here, so we have a great view of the ocean, but there's a typhoon here right now, so it's pretty crazy. And there's a view of the beach, but it's raining pretty hard and it's really windy, so it's hard to see the beach right now. So that's a quick look at our room here at the Serene Hotel in Danang, Vietnam. Orchid is the hotel's main restaurant, open daily from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. It's a bright space surrounded by glass windows, which has clear views of the beach right across the street. We tried the breakfast buffet, which features plenty of Vietnamese and international dishes. Breakfast was good, and it's a convenient place to eat if you don't feel like stepping out of the hotel in the morning. Sunshine Pool Bar, located on the 5th floor pool deck, is the ideal place to enjoy the sun with a cocktail in hand along with some snacks. There's no doubt that the best feature of this hotel is the sunshine pool just outside the bar. This beautiful space overlooks My Khe Beach and has multiple lounge chairs to relax and take in the stunning views. It's open daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sit back, relax, and grab a drink at the lobby bar located by the entrance. It's open all day, so you can stop by for a drink at any time. let's take a look at the gym. So there's a multi-exercise machine here where you can do a bunch of different workouts. There's one treadmill and 2 sets of dumbbells. And right by the gym is the spa where you can get a relaxing massage while on vacation. The hotel also features a couple of banquet rooms to host weddings or other special events. We really enjoyed our stay at the Serene Beach Hotel. The hotel was very clean with a friendly staff, a good breakfast buffet, a spectacular outdoor pool, and the sea view from our room was just stunning. It was so nice to step out of the hotel, walk right out to the beach, and enjoy the clear warm water to cool off since it was so hot and humid. There were so many spas nearby, and we got a massage almost every day since it was so affordable and felt so relaxing. Plenty of restaurants were also within walking distance. Our favorite was Benny 2, a live seafood restaurant where you pick the seafood you want from the water tanks and the cooks will prepare it for you. Don't miss this spot as the food was amazing and it was the best seafood restaurant we've ever been to. We recommend this hotel for couples and families who want an affordable stay at a nice hotel that is close to the beach, restaurants, and shops. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.